my channel. Today I'm gonna try a new product IKEA sent me. Ta-da! Activated charcoal cleansing face mask. As you can see, let's have a look. It's organic and it's made from real IKEA furniture. It says the ingredients are IKEA wood furniture, activated charcoal, organic coconut oil, and peppermint oil. It's an official product from 100-year Bauhaus. I'm gonna try it. Let's open it. The color is gray and the texture is a little bit like this. So if I try it on my hand, it's gonna be like this. And it says to wait 10 or 15 minutes for it to dry. Oh, I'm so excited. Can you imagine IKEA furniture charcoal mask? So I'm gonna put it this way a little bit here. Oh, it's so soft. Yeah, actually I can smell the mint. It's really nice. It feels like fresh. Yeah, I'm gonna do it really quickly so it dries safely. It's easy to put on my face, so smooth. The mint feels really tingly. I really like it. I think I look better with mask. Actually, it's really good on me. I'm waiting for the timer. So, yeah, let's see. I didn't know that IKEA makes a cosmetic and... Oh, I can see it start drying. What? What? Oh my god. Use this product at your own risk. Oh, can you see that? Like toxic substances. There's only 3 ingredients. Which one could be toxic? So now I have 2 more minutes and then I'll wash it off. My skin feels really tight like this. I can't even open my mouth. Okay, it's time to wash it off. Let's see. Oh! Wow! Wow, looks so clear. IKEA sent me the towel too. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So soft. Even though it's toxic, my skin looks so good. So smooth. You guys know me, I don't use just any skincare products. And I'm very impressed with this one. So I highly recommend it to all you guys. Thanks for watching today's video. If you really like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! I'll see you guys next time. 100 years. Wow.